Well, here's our luck. We had a windstorm last night, and we have 3.5 acres, and didn't have any trees blow down, except for two. One last night, when we got it cut up. It fell on our septic tank with some big old holes in it. We got it for around 1,100 bucks, but now you can't even find them. And Ferguson has increased their rates on everything astronomically, so we can't get anything at a reasonable price anymore. Got a big old hole in it, so it's completely destroyed, cracked there. And we thought that was bad enough luck until this morning. We woke up and there was another tree that fell on our pipe, 450 feet of this easy flow by infiltrator, as well as our 1,060-gallon septic tank. So there's our luck. Anybody know the statistics on that? 10 foot by 10 foot area and 3.5 acres, and to have two trees that were completely untouched, the root system, everything, no sign of rot, decay. I think they call it conk. No conk on the trees that I can see. I'm by no means a tree expert. If somebody is, please let me know. Everything else seems fine. We didn't remove any dirt or materials through here. This one looks about to be maybe 11 or 12 inch butt. And this one's maybe 14 to 16 inch butt, and completely annihilates our entire septic system. The first one laid over on the top there and suspended over the easy flow here, and then remove that one just in time for this one to come down in the morning. Thought my wife was joking when she says, "Hey, looks like there's another tree down." I'm like, you gotta be screwing with me. Nope, she was 100% right. So hopefully the folks at Infiltrator are feeling extra generous and will give us some sort of credit or trade-in value for some of this.